Hello,
Hello,
how are you today?
I am fine.
Very good. Can you please introduce yourself? Tell me about yourself.
My name is Nam. I am in class D4 Discover for CLC this month. My favorite sport is basketball. Um, my favorite food is burger and pizza.
All right, now, nice to meet you. So, we'll be learning about the human body and the human system and talking about viruses and how our body fights against them. So, what can you tell me about viruses?
Virus is the small things people eye can see, just microscope can see. Virus is come to many shape. It's like
Many shapes, you mean? They
yeah,
come in many shapes, okay?
it's like balls,
Bullets and rods,
yeah.
okay? And can you give me some examples of viruses that you know?
It's influenza virus,
Influenza viruses,
um,
HIV, HPVs, Ebola, right?
yeah.
Okay. And let's talk about influenza viruses. Tell me more about them.
Influenza virus is make us tired, headache, and
Headache, okay? It
and
causes flu,
and sick.
all right? So, can you give me some symptoms of influenza viruses? How do you feel when you have influenza viruses? Some symptoms:
Um, it's make me cold.
cold, sore throat, sneezing, cough, body aches, right?
Yeah.
So, what can you do not to have this influenza virus?
We need to practice more exercise and
Do
eat
more
yeah,
exercises, okay?
and eating healthy food to stay healthy.
Okay. So, what else can you do to avoid them? Do you have to wash your hands when you shake someone or when you go to the restroom,
Yeah.
right? Wash your hands regularly. What else?
Um,
Cover your nose and your mouth.
yeah.
And what?
And avoid the people.
Who are sick.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Now, let's talk about how our body helps us to fight these viruses. How does our body protect us, all right, from these viruses?
Uh, our body protect us on virus is
What's the first layer of protection?
in the skin of body.
Very good. The skin in your body, very good, protects us from viruses because we have dead cells. So when we inhale the air and there are viruses in the air, what happens? How does our body, what are the layers of protection?
Is white blood cell.
No, what happens first from your nose?
Is coach.
You have the nose hair, all
Yeah.
right, that traps the viruses. After that, what happens? Nose hair.
Um,
What's next? There's something that is slimy in your nose. What is it called? So when it comes to your nose hair, it goes beyond that. It's being trapped by the mucus, right?
yeah.
Mucus in your nose, and when it leaves your nose, it gets into your stomach. What happens in your stomach?
Stomach acid will destroy the virus.
And what if it doesn't destroy the whole virus and it gets to your blood?
Is white blood cell to protect our body.
Okay, so the white blood cells then attack the virus. Okay, very good. And let's talk about the respiratory system. Can you tell me the organs responsible?
First one is nose. Next is trachea. Next is lungs, and lastly is diaphragm.
Very good. And how about the circulatory system?
First is heart, second is veins, next is capillaries, third is
Arteries, right?
yeah,
Okay, so these are four organs. So now, how do the respiratory and circulatory system work? How do they work together?
the nose will
So you take in air through your nose. Where does the air go to?
go to lungs,
Okay, and what happens after that?
and the lungs you um,
And the air goes to the capillaries, right?
yeah,
So the capillary takes this oxygenated air into the pulmonary vein,
yeah,
right? And from there into your left part of your heart, right? And what happens when the blood gets into your heart, the oxygenated blood? What happens to it? The heart pumps the blood, right?
yeah.
Into where?
In
Into the arteries. And the arteries carries that blood into your cells, and your body works with the blood, right?
yeah,
And what happens after that when your body has finished working with that oxygenated blood? What happens? It converts it into something. What is it called?
is carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. Very good. And carbon dioxide is taken from your veins back to your heart, right?
Yeah,
And your heart pumps it back to your lungs. And what happens? The diaphragm contracts and the air gushes out of your nose, right?
yeah.
Okay. What's your opinion about staying healthy and doing exercise?
In my opinion, we will do more exercise, um, and one day we need to practice some sport like basketball or football to stay healthy.
Okay, so what are some of the things you can do to stay healthy? Some healthy habits you should imbibe.
We need to eat healthy food to stay healthy.
Drinking a lot of water,
Yeah,
right? What else should you do? Sleep early, reduce your screen time, and eat balanced diets, right? A lot of vegetables and fruits. Is that correct?
yeah.
All right, that's the end of your speaking test. All right, bye.